Hey, what's up XRP holders? So today video is going very special for XRP holder. Yeah, my sweet brother, my sweet brother. This time XRP totally gone very fastly, starting increasing. You can see here the price change has gone very good, and every cryptocurrency has gone like a rocket. My all favorite cryptocurrency this time you can see here, and positive result gone very fastly like a rocket gone starting. So but XRP is one of them, and XRP has gone very fastly. You can see here this is back highest chain. Every cryptocurrency has gone fastly, but this time you can see here this changes is very small, but this is 25.01% they're gone up. So this is mind-blowing crashful results. So let's start the XRP price prediction, but I need your support, guys. Please subscribe if you our YouTube channel. Okay, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Yeah, and mostly welcome to our YouTube channel. Can you drink tea? Can you need a tea? Okay, if you want to drink tea, then please first of all subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so thanks for subscription. Let's get started the live price prediction, guys. Today video is going to decide. This is selling time, holding time of XRP, and what's going on in the last 1 day and the last 24 hour and the last 7 days. Okay, so these three charts is very important. So let's see to what's going on. As you can see here, guys, this time and the last 1 hour, is very important result for latest okay news. You can see here this time the last 1 hour chain as 1.77%. they're going up and like a rocket. They very back jump. You can see here they take a very back jump and gone straight. You can see here this time they gone straight, but no dump. This is small, literally dump, and they take again jump. So congratulations, there is no dump and they go very fast. You can see here the price is come down. I think, yeah, the price is 1.28, and I think the latest price is 1.37 or something. Yeah, so let's see to what's going on in the last 24 hour. But remember this price, remember this changes is very important from decision to what we do in this critical situation. Guys, if you can see here, oh my god, I can't believe this. XRP holder, my brother, my sweet brother. This time I'm very excited, I'm very happy, but because I see this type of change. Yeah, 25.76% they got off. Oh my goodness, you can see here they take a very high jump like a rocket. Then the moon. Oh go XRP. Congratulations XRP holder, they make you millionaire. Oh my goodness, I already said you to the XRP price. If you remember, the last 1 hour price as 1.28 US dollar, but this time the price is converted into 1.37 US dollar. What a brilliant chance! And the last 24 hour and the last 1 hour chance. So let's see to what's going on in the last 7 days result, and then we decide to this is selling time, buying time, or holding time. Oh my goodness, when I see the last 7 days result, then my I am very happy. Then my brain stop working to see that the result. You can see here the price is going absolutely up 1.3 US dollar as the latest price. You can see here this time the chain is 112.42% gone up. Can you believe this? Today gone 112% gone up. Wow, I believe this because XRP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody, don't skip this video. Please understand this is selling time or holding time. Okay, so guys, I think this is good time to hold it. My decision is that to please hold it and wait for the good time to buy it or to sell it. Sorry, to sell it. Okay, I think the end of this video is gone very good time to you sell it. And first of all, and those days absolutely hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good days to you buy it. So buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Complete my 10,000 subscriber. I hope you do it. Yeah, I hope you do it. And also like this video. Take care.